On Friday, I noticed that my account got hacked by Russian hackers and they turned Upright Health into a cryptocurrency live stream scam. And they changed the name of the channel to Tesla Live, and I managed to get them out. I booted them, I got rid of the live stream, and I notified YouTube that I was hacked. And then YouTube support kind of like didn't understand all the information that I sent them and then told me to resend all that same information. And I thought, what the heck, whatever. I have control, should be all good. I slept fine. I had a great night of sleep. Sunday, oh my lord, I slept like 9-10 hours. It was amazing. Woke up, was gonna do some quick things on YouTube, and then I noticed that my channel was gone, and YouTube emailed me and told me at 12:53 a.m. that they had terminated my account for encouraging illegal and illicit activity. So I got 2 emails from YouTube. One was, we've removed this live stream file, which good, thank you. And then again at 12:53 a.m., so I think this was an algorithm, we've closed your account because you are doing something illegal. So thanks very much, algorithm. I understand why you're doing what you're doing, but also there could have been could somebody please just put in some sort of check and balance system where you don't just destroy an entire channel with 600 or 700 videos that help people, like without just getting rid of it? That seems kind of outrageous. So anyway, Upright Health is back. I want to say thank you to everybody who joined me on Twitter and was tweeting at Team YouTube to tell them that they made a mistake. Really appreciate it, and I also really appreciate all the help from people inside Google that I know personally or whom I didn't even know personally who reached out to help and instigate and start support tickets to get people internally to fix the problem. I really, really appreciate it. If you are not on my email newsletter, if you are not following me anywhere else, I really encourage you to go to my website, uprighthealth.com, sign up for a free course, get on a newsletter so that you are receiving emails from me in the future. If you'd like to show some support for this channel, please go to uprighthealth.com/DIY and find a program that looks like a good fit for you. And that's gonna help me while it helps you fix your own body. In case anything like this happens again, I am gonna have to have some backup solution for this. And I've already started uploading some videos to Vimeo, and I'll try to figure out other stuff. If you have any ideas about how I can better serve you and also not have YouTube just destroy everything that I've built in the future, please let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.
Every time